So, today we made a new toolbox. So that sounds interesting. Stick around.
I've had a 3D printer for quite a while, and it turns out maintaining it requires a lot of little things that need to be kept track of. We also have a mess in the floor with a lot of filament sitting around, but we're not going to fix that today. I was browsing through the Printables website and found this little mock snap-on toolbox that I thought would be perfect to fit all of our little tools in. So we printed it over the course of about 3 days, and that turns out to be just the beginning of what you have to do to make it work. So there's lots of support material attached to all the drawers, and you got to do a lot of work to get them to actually fit together. So here's what happens after you spend 3 days printing them. All right, here we are. We have our drawers printed up here. This one we printed up last night, and we got it set up to where it sort of slides well. It's still a little tight, so we might play with that some more. But this is how they print. They have a bunch of, it's called support material here, that we have to remove, and then we're going to have to do some cleaning on the actual slides here to get them to actually fit properly in the drawers. So we're going to start breaking them all off and getting them cleaned up. This one we ran out of filament twice, so we just used whatever we had left over, and seems like it came out pretty decent. We don't really care what color they are. These are just going to go in the printer room and just hold a bunch of tools for the printer. So I don't really care if it looks nice or not. It would have been cool to print it all out of the blue, but we ran out. So it is what it is. Anyway, here we are, on to some time lapse, removing support material and cleaning the slides. Bit of a mini update on this. It's kind of dark, you can't really see it very well. But these are our O-ring valve stem seals. So eventually we will take this back apart and do that. We only got those from the mailbox yesterday, so we haven't had time to take it apart and actually fix it yet. But that is coming, so hold on for that.
I'll have to be a big man to go down that street.
Really know how much of that I'm going to be able to get off of there. The annoying part about support materials, you end up with a bunch of stuff stuck places that you just can't get off. I think I just got my support set to print way too much, like way too frequently. I don't know why I changed that setting. It's just to probably print one weird thing. Pretty tight. It fits. It's pretty tight though. Oh, really not that bad. That's actually pretty good. Yeah, I'm happy with that. Kind of feel like we should do this one some more, honestly. Okay, let's give it a shot, see how it goes. I think that's still too thick right there, maybe, maybe not, maybe we're good. ourselves our little mini toolbox. I'm gonna do one more thing that I did the other day that I really like. This bottom drawer feels really nice. I'm gonna take a pencil, regular old pencil, and we're gonna just write right here on the actual slide. And what that's going to do, this graphite is going to lubricate the slide. It's going to break up into little tiny little pieces and going to fill all the imperfections and the gaps. And it's going to make it slide real nicely and smoothly. It's not going to be as zippery. And it's going to be a lot smoother. There you go. There's our toolbox. Now we're going to go inside and we're going to put some stuff in it. Printer room, a toolbox. These are all of our various tools. And we're going to put them all in the box. Oh, I didn't bring my tripod in here, so I can't really set it up to record very well. But also, holding these one-handed is kind of hard, but we got our extra parts trays here and our little bench scraper here. And then we've got all of our wrenches, and this is for cleaning out the actual like nozzle, this thing. And then we've got all of our different spare nozzles, a bunch of spare hardware, our Allen keys. Both of our different size nozzles in there. And then in here we got all of our glue. I actually glue stuff down. So, very nice. I like it very much. There you go. In hindsight, the little mini toolbox from Harbor Freight is better value. This is probably close to $30 worth of filament. And it's cool. And I like that I could print it, but I don't know if it really makes it better than, it's smaller. The drawers aren't ball bearing. It's cool. But it's not really worth it. A little expensive for what it is. But there you go. I hope you like it. All right, there you go. Not a very exciting video, but we made a toolbox. So, see you next week.